I love how everything came out. Mrs. Kimchi, kisses to you. Hey everyone, it's me Ice, and today I'm going to review Kimchi Beauty. I went ahead and bought some items from their website, and I have my foundation on. I'm wearing Pat McGrath today. Oh, I only needed 2 pumps. Then I'm wearing the Huda Beauty concealer, under eye, and concealer, of course. And the items that I bought from Kimchi Beauty was their Puff Puff Pass setting powder. Oh my god, I didn't know it comes with this. It comes with its own. There you go. I got banana bread, and then I got their yellow lemon citron palette. Is beautiful. I cannot wait to wear it. I was in the mood for yellow, and spring is around the corner. And then this highlighter is beautiful. I'll swatch it for you. I was out of breath. Look. It's gonna be like a blue shimmer. You'll see when I put it on. Got a pink blush because I like pink. Gorgeous. The last one, it was a mistake. I wanted a gloss, but instead I got a mattely poppin', non-transfer, long-lasting, intense pigment. It's a beautiful pink. I'll swatch right here. I like it. I like pink, so I'm gonna try this. This puff is so pretty. I think I'm gonna pass on using it today because I already have my beauty blender right there. I finally have some on the cup. I have my beauty blender. I love this thing, so I'm gonna set my under eye. I bought this because of TikTok. There was this girl, I don't know her name, she was so pretty, and she used this, and I was like, you know what? And I saw Kimchi before with Trixie Mattel, and I thought Kimchi is beautiful, so I wanted to support. I always thought of Kimchi, so I keep hearing good things about Kimchi's line, so I went ahead and bought it. Let me put a little more and let it set for a while. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and use my contour as an outside base for my eye. This is the eyes so far. Nothing too harsh, but I'm loving the way I love the way it looks. The shimmers on camera doesn't do it justice. This is so pretty, and it's very new for me. I love it. This was only $15. Like, I love it. It's simple, to the point. Like I said, my makeup routine has changed. Nothing drastic anymore, and just very simple. I love it simple now. So I'm just gonna wipe off the powder. This is what we have so far. Don't worry, we're gonna contour in just a second. So I'm gonna get my contour brush. Can't forget what I have over there. So I'm gonna go back into my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm hitting pan on this, so I'm just gonna go and do what I do best and contour. I love this contour. It's been years. I've never stopped using this. And whatever excess I have, I'm gonna use Puff Puff Pass to correct. Oh boy. And again, guys, so sorry I haven't been on. I've been busy outside of makeup and trying to get things together. I see that I have some new subscribers, not too many, but you know, very grateful that, you know, you guys are watching. I'm also on TikTok as well, but yeah, I need to keep up with that too. I'm gonna put some here, and like I said, whatever's too harsh, I'm gonna go and get my Puff Puff Pass to correct any harsh lines. I hope you're all doing well, and I really appreciate my new subbies to my channel. Let's put some on my neck, under my chin to make it more defined. I've been taking care of my skin too as of late, because I really prioritize my skin. It's very important to do that. I'm gonna put some under my lower lip. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go back in with Puff Pass Banana. This side is a little too harsh for me, so I'm just gonna go and soften that out. I used to not like pink growing up, but now I'm like into pink. It's weird. I thought I would never like pink, but now I'm like, I like pink. So I'm in like, I like Princess Peach now. Like, I don't know what happened to me. I don't even know who I am anymore. I don't know. I think I like pink blush now. I like pink lipstick. I just bought pink shades, pink Key Australia shades. It's pink and lilac, like lilac colors. I just bought some. I don't know, I just like impulse shopped. I'm so sorry, but I was like, I love pink. I do not know why, but I'm getting these shades, and they were on sale. It just popped up because I was looking at Desi Perkins' recent launch. She had these pink shades that are like Barbie pink, and I went, oh my god, I gotta have a pair of those. But I saw Key Australia popped up their shades, and I was like, I went and bought Key Australia's, but get Desi Perkins too, because that one is so pretty. And I told myself, are you going out, Ice? Are you gonna be going out with that? Do you even leave the house? And I was like, no, I don't. So I was like, go get the Key ones, okay? If you're not gonna go out like Desi, no, don't do it. Go get the ones on sale for $29. I'm gonna go in with Kimchi's pink blush. I'm anxious to see where this goes. Looks like this. Oh, and it has a mirror. Oh gosh, it has a mirror. Thank God. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this beautiful pink. Wow, okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna dab that in there. It's like a nice subtle pink, maybe a little more because I don't want to look too pink. I'll peek some up here as well. Okay, this is pretty. Very Barbie dollish. I'm gonna dab some here as well. Ooh. Uh-oh, maybe. Okay, sorry, because I guess I apply pressure differently when it comes. I'm right-handed, and I apply it differently for each side. I don't know why that happens, but yeah. I'm gonna wipe off my nose area right here as well, and some here. And I'm gonna remove the excess banana Puff Pass off my cheek. I look like a damn doll. I'm quaking. Okay, so I'm gonna dab some excess on my nose area. This is really pretty. I just miss wearing makeup all the time. You know, I work this job that I enjoy, but I just like, I'm a woman, you know, and I want to embrace that. So I'm hoping to wear makeup more often. Oh boy. So here is the highlighter. I couldn't breathe. Look at that. Like, oh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna apply some right here. Not too much, but that is beautiful. I'm gonna apply a little bit here too, not too much. It has this iridescent blue. I'm gonna put some here too on my lip because I'm gonna get the matte lipstick, and I'm gonna add some gloss on top of that. Oh, you guys, this is so pretty. I need to go out this week. I need to go out. I need to be seen with this highlighter. I want to stop traffic with these highlighters, okay? This is very pretty. I'm loving this, you guys. This is very beautiful. Look at that. Hitting all the right places, sweetie. It's giving intergalactic. It's giving Wi-Fi. It's giving sci-fi. Okay, look at that. Gorgeous. I can't breathe. I can't. It's so pretty. Okay guys, we have everything set so far. It's giving 70s vibes. So now I'm gonna sharpen this up and I'm gonna do my lips. And again, this wasn't the one I wanted, but I'm gonna work with it. I got the matte pink lipstick in the shade Work. I meant to get gloss because I'm a gloss girl, so I'm gonna line my lips with this one size pencil. This is made for the eyes, but I use it for my lips. I'm gonna get like a buff. I'm gonna buff it out with like, I guess this would be a good brush. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. What you think? We got a snow leopard tee on because I love snow leopards, but what do you guys think? This kimchi, I love it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna continue to buy from you. Like, again, TikTok made me buy it. This is amazing. I'm liking the way it's setting. I'll see how it goes in a few hours. I'll keep you posted, but all in all, yes, I love it. Guys, this is such an affordable line and I love it. This is perfect. I love how everything came out. Miss Kimchi, kisses to you. This is beautiful. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video. I appreciate you. Hi to the new subbies. I'm gonna try my best to be on here as much as I can and try new product with you. I have a lot going on outside, but if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment. It means a lot to me. So I hope you're all doing well, and I will definitely see you for the next video. Bye.